Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to make AI produce structured responses in JSON format using LangChain. We use structured output to define exact fields expected from AI. So it ensures answers are consistent and machine readable, like API ready. If in case you are using LLM inside a workflow, example like chatbot or data pipeline or API, structured output ensures downstream system always get expected fields. So let me go through the program. So this is the using this library, you can call an OpenAI chat model. Here I'm using the chat model is GPT 3.5 Turbo, and this is the Python library. LangChain Pydantic underscore v1 is a Python library which is used for data validation and settings management. Here LangChain is pinning to v1 so that APIs to avoid version conflicts. And this the class answer with justification based model. It will prompts the model with instruction plus JSON schema under the hood. It has the JSON schema under the hood. So it parses and validates the model reply into an answer with justification objects. And here we are calling the model GPT 3.5 Turbo, and here we are using temperature as equal to 0. So it will make the model uh, to be like deterministic and give the output consistently. So if the value changes to more positive, the model will be like more creative, and the answers will the responses which the model gives will keep on changing. So to have a consistent output and deterministic output, as I can say, you are giving the temperature value to 0, and I'm passing the OpenAPI key. So this will wrap the model to produce the structured output. The LLM, we are giving instructions to LLM to give the response in a structured output format. So this is the question. It's a simple string, and we are invoking the LLM with the question. So, and let me run and just see. So now the output should be in the structured format, as we are instructing the LLM to have the output in a structured format. We are using the Pydantic object, right? So it will using that, it will validate the response should come in a structured format. So as you can see here, the Python object output is answer. The question is like which weighs more, a pound of bricks or a pound of feathers? The answer it has given the response as answer as well as the justification like key value pair, and I have also asked converted that into a JSON format, and this is the JSON output you can see. So let me change the value of temperature to 0.7. Okay, let me run again. As you can see here, the justification, they weigh the same, and the justification is both a pound of bricks and pound of feathers weigh 1 pound. This is the answer it has given. If I run it again, it will give the consistent answer. See, as you can see. But if I change the value to 0.7 or some higher value, if you run multiple times, the answer will change. The answer will be like not consistent. As you can see, a pound of bricks and a pound of feathers both weigh 1 pound. The weight is the same. And let me run it once again. See, as you can see, the justification is changing for every run. So to have a consistent answer or deterministic answer, you have to set the value of temperature to 0. So yeah, so by using the structured outputs and JSON, you can build AI system that reliably produce consistent machine readable data, which is perfect for knowledge bases, reasoning assistance, or automated workflows. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.